Direct replacement. This dome light lens is made to match the fit and performance of the original lens on specific vehicle applications. Restores functionality. Built to restore the appearance and function of a cloudy, missing or broken lens. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This dome light lens is designed to match the appearance and function of the original lens on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit bright white. Perfect factory fit, bright white light and not that yellow junk. The original part made the light look